Bonjour Mon Petites. I am so sorry that I don't have an actual intro filmed for you guys. This week has been absolutely insane for me, hence the video dropping a day late, but I am here with another video for you guys, and this one is a highly requested video. I've been getting asked to do this video probably since I got on YouTube, so this video is years in the making. I don't want to call this video a tutorial, but I am showing you guys exactly how I wash my hair on my heavy duty wash days. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel, and also hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you, love you, love you. All right, guys, so my fro is dirty, as you guys know and have known for quite a while. And we're going to start by sectioning our hair. And I start out with about 4 sections, but I end up with closer to 8. And I definitely deep condition on dry hair. And this is like a heavy duty wash day routine, so this is definitely going to take some time. And this is how I deal with tangles. I just separate them. They come apart. If your hair, listen, if your hair is properly moisturized, right, and you have tangles, because your hair will tangle up on itself. That's just what 4C hair does. Like, we have the coiliest coils and the kinkiest kinks, and they all roll up and fall down on each other. And that's a part of the process. However, if you keep your hair moisturized, and when I say my hair is dry, I don't mean it's actually dry, because it's actually still very moisturized. So me taking these knots out and things, as you can see, it's a simple matter of me pulling my hair apart. So when you, if your hair is moisturized and you get all these tangles and stuff, it's going to be relatively easy to take them out. This is literally how I remove tangles. And I wanted to show you guys this because people have like gotten 4C girls to fear our hair, to fear our shrinkage, to fear, you know what I'm saying, like what our hair actually naturally does, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not here for that. So I'm going to take my conditioning concoction, and this is, there's no need for me to tell you what's in here because it's like literally 4 different, you know how when you have a bunch of stuff left over and you kind of just throw it all together? This is what this is. This is like literally 4 different conditioners. There's a bunch of crap in here and some Jamaican black castor oil. I'm going to just start pulling out any easily removed shed hairs. And see, like, you'll get things like this that come out. You know, stuff that's been just hanging out in there that knows it's time to go. All right, so I'm going to take my conditioner and go ahead and apply it. And all the while I'm applying it, I'm going to be finger detangling because I'm going to comb this out with this comb. But before I get into that, I want to make sure that I have the smaller tangles out. You know what I'm saying? Do I say you know what I'm saying a lot? Because I hope y'all know what I'm saying. All right, so now I'm going to take my comb and starting from the ends, the roots, starting from the ends, I'm going to detangle my hair. So then you're going to take that section and, per usual, twist it on up. So again, I'm going to just pull out any, release any like already there shed hairs. These are already there shed hairs. And listen, I have a lot of hair on my head. Like, not only is my hair thick, it's dense. So there are a lot of follicles on my head. So I shed quite a bit. And I used to be freaked out because you would see all these natural hair girls on YouTube back in the day, and they'd be like, I just detangled my entire head and this is all that came out. Who you fooling, sis? Who you fooling? Who you lying to? Anyway, so like I said, you're going to release the shed hairs. You're going to grab your conditioner, put some on the ends, and work your way up. And if you need to separate the section, separate the section, because working in smaller sections, if you have a very dense head of hair, will help you tremendously. It helps me. And I don't care how time consuming it is. I really don't. Like, there's people who, you know, they have to find a quick way to do their hair and all that jazz. I'm not that girl. Like, I only wash my hair once a month. So my wash day is my wash day. Like, it's my day to wash my hair. And it takes me a while. Oh, well. But I also don't have kids and, like, you know, people bothering me, you know? So it's a little bit different. I don't need all that. So again, I'm going to saturate the section, finger detangling as I go. Any large knots that I come to, I literally just pull them apart. And then I go in with my comb. And from the ends, I work my way up. And this is honestly why I can't stress to you guys enough how important having moisturized hair is. Because that's why when it comes to wash day, people be so freaking freaked out. Like, nah, fam, it ain't that deep. That's why I tell people all the time. And I know this sounds nasty, but I tell them, keep it moist and go slow. That's the only way I could say it that it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Keep your hair moisturized and take your time. Go freaking slow. You don't need to rush through it. If you're trying to rip through it, then you're going to rip your hair out. Oh my God, I can't believe. Girl, bye. And now we're going to twist these guys up. And I'm going to go off camera and finish the rest of this because it's literally the same process. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I kind of lied. I wanted you guys to see me do this section kind of sped up but uninterrupted without me pausing and running my mouth, just so you can see how quick and easy it actually is with me taking my time and doing the steps that I actually do. Okay, so now that I have all of the conditioner in my hair, I have to take this little bottle right here. This is just apple cider vinegar and water. Anyway, I'm going to put this in my scalp. Oh, I don't know the percentages of vinegar versus water, but when it looks about this color, like it's light, like it's not brown anymore, it's kind of like a light tannish color, then you should be straight. Because if not, you will get burned. All right, so now that I've worked this all into my scalp, massaged a little bit, I massaged for like a good 2 minutes. And then I'm going to take my grocery bag and put it on my head for like a half hour. If I get lazy, 45 minutes to an hour. But I don't let it sit more than an hour. So I'm going to deep condition my hair with all of this and let the apple cider vinegar work and do its magic and get my scalp all yummy, I'm saying. And then for good measure, to make sure that, it's doing its thing, which it is, but this is just for me. I'm going to take my towel and put that around my head as well. All right, so like I said, I'm going to let this sit for about a half hour, 45 minutes-ish. And when we come back, we're going to be in the bathroom. Yeah. Never taken you guys in the bathroom before. So first of all, I cannot believe that you guys finally got me to do a wash day video with me in the shower because, girl, I said I would not do a video like this, and this is exactly why I wouldn't do it. Girl, this was so hard because let me tell you something. I do not wash my hair like this. I am all over the place. There's hair and water and soap and stuff everywhere. Girl, so anyway, I'm kind of just going to tell you guys what I do and let the video play out because once I'm in the shower, it's pretty simple from there. So I rinse the conditioner out, then I shampoo my roots, and I don't add more shampoo. I just take the suds from that and I run that down the length of my hair. I keep my hair in sections the entire time. Then I rinse the shampoo, condition and detangle, twist each section back up, rinse all that out, and that's it. So I'm just going to let this play, and hopefully you guys can see everything that I'm doing. This will be sped up for the most part, but I think you get the gist. If not, always feel free to drop me a question in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys want to know, and I will do my best to explain it for you. Other than that, enjoy the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Bye.